Welcome back to Metro Screenworks. Today, we are sharing the benefits of security screens and why you should install them on your home or business. Stick around. Security screens are designed to be impervious to high impact, cutting, prying, and tampering. As a result, the risk for home invasion and burglary is reduced by 85% while allowing you to enjoy fresh air with peace of mind. Traditional screens give children a false sense of security, thus leading to severe injury and even death. Security screens are strong enough to help keep your child safe and sound inside your home, even when they are carelessly close to the window. We love our furry family members, but they can put a lot of wear and tear on our screens. Because of their rugged construction, security screens can withstand paws, claws, and teeth of our pets while keeping other critters outside our homes where they belong. Security screens will not only increase the safety and security of your home, but they are also designed to last and need very little maintenance. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your family is safe and sound for years to come. Security screens aren't just for your home, but we also design them for your business. Enjoy security and safety that is both effective and aesthetically pleasing at home and at the office. Shop Metro Screenworks today for security screens and other screen products you can depend on.